Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can also just view all your passwords on your iPhone that you just use two different Wi-Fi networks. So also for doing this you just need to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi, so just tap on Wi-Fi and here you will see edit button on the right side, just need to tap on it. So let's just recognize. So now you can also see all networks. So just tap on some network and here you will see password. Sorry, let's try another one. So it's free, and when it's with password, so you just need to tap on password and you will see password for this network. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click on bye.